2024 Yukon with the FlowFX. There's sound decibels. I'll let you guys hear it when we're finished. All right, guys, got a 2024 GMC Yukon AT4 with the 5.3 in it. He had work done somewhere else. They put a FlowFX, the oval body muffler on it, and left the rear resonator on. He says it's still too loud. It's a bit too much on the highways. So we're going to take it off and put a Borla ProXS in its place. Hopefully help cut back on that drone on the inside of the cab, but still give them some good outside noise. But here it is right now. This is the setup that's currently on it. Factory converters there and there. Wires into a single right there, goes into the flex pipe, and then that's where they put the FlowFX right there, and then ran a single back into the pre-existing tailpipe, and then left the resonator on, and then just the factory turn down right there. We're gonna take the FlowFX off of there, replace it with the Borla, leave the resonator on, and then we're gonna put like a black tip coming out the side over here, something like that for him. Yeah, so there it is right there, guys. I'll show you guys what it sounds like when we're finished. Remember, guys, like, comment, and subscribe. All right, guys, 2024 GMC Yukon AT4 with the 5.3. Showed you guys what it sounded like before, how it was set up. It had a FlowFX on it. We took that off, put a Borla ProXS on it in its place. Try to help them out with like internal drone and everything like that. So factory converter right there, factory converter there, Y pipe right there, single flex pipe. And then we took off the FlowFX and put the Borla on right there. Borla ProXS. Back into the continuation of the tailpipe and into the rear resonator. And then we cut it off and just put a tip on it for him. And we have a little something to show out the back right there. So there it is now, guys. Pretty much set up kind of the same way, but not really. We'll let you guys hear it in a second. Remember, guys, like, comment, and subscribe. Here's sound decibels. About 87. Let you guys hear it on the inside. '24 GMC Yukon AT4, the Borla ProXS.